yourself a merry little Christmas night.
My channel, my name is Sasha Talia. If you are new here, this month I am pushing out content like no other. I am doing the Vlogmas. Today is Vlogmas day 5, so I'm super excited to keep up, or trying to keep up, because today I'm just like, I feel like I'm all over the place today, and yeah, I feel like I'm just all over the place, and Sephora's stuff is like out of whack because like everybody's on Sephora right now. There are amazing deals on Sephora, so I'll get into that later on in this video. So if you're interested about today's video, then keep on watching. Okay, so I want to give you guys some ideas for gifts and stuff, and we're in a different setting right now. I'm downstairs, tried filming upstairs with my husband. He's doing homework and got the baby upstairs, so right now this is like the quiet place. So I figured this is the best place to do a video, and just, yeah, let's just do the video. So I want to start off with some a brand that has been my go-to favorite OG brand that I highly recommend, that I love. It's my everything. It smells so good. You're gonna smell amazing. You're gonna feel so good. You guys, it's the Sol de Janeiro. I think they call it Boom Boom Cream, but it's BUMBM, so I always call it Bum Bum Cream. But this stuff smells so good, and literally I am like completely out. Like if this was an empties video, this would for sure be in my empties video. I think this is the second big jar that I've gone through, so you know that it's well loved. Thankfully, in my BoxyCharm, they usually have the Bum Bum, Boom Boom, whatever you want to call it. I like to call it Bum Bum, but they usually give you like the minis and stuff. So I have a few of these, which are great because you can just throw in your purse. Or like me, I have one in my bathroom, I have one in my purse, and I have like one under the cabinet and stuff. So it looks like this. It smells so good. I think they say it's like a pistachio. I think that's what it is. I'm pretty sure. But you guys, if you ever go to Sephora, just smell it. Just pop it open and smell it. It smells so good on your body, and you'll get a lot of compliments and stuff. And to complement the lotion, they have the Brazilian Crush. The Cheirosa 62 is the name of this spray right here. Now this stuff smells so good. It smells exactly like the cream, and they have a hand cream. They also have a lip balm, which my lip balm is in my purse, but I've talked about it before. It's so moisturizing on your lips and stuff, and it smells just like this too. So you get the whole line, and it smells amazing. They have other things as like the shampoo, conditioner. They have a body wash too that smells just like it. So if you're a big fan like I am, then that would be a great gift to give to somebody else that you know it's gonna smell good. You're not gonna be like, oh, I don't think they'll not, like it or whatever. No, I feel like every time I get a compliment, you'll just get like a whole bunch of compliments on it. Like, it's such a great gift, and they do have the gift sets of it. So yeah. Another thing from Sephora is this Lineage Sleep Care Lip Sleeping Mask, and I have the scent Vanilla. Here's a close-up of it. This is so good and so moisturizing. I love using this at nighttime before I go to sleep and throughout the day and stuff. It's so dry right now, like everything is just, I feel like a little raisin, but yeah, everything's so dry, and so I like to use this at nighttime. I wake up, my lips feel hydrated, they're not as trapped and stuff. So definitely check this out. It smells amazing too. Like, I just love the scent of it. And if you're not a big fan of vanilla, you guys, they have a whole bunch of other sets as well. They have gift bundles they also have gift bundles, so that is amazing. Who else loves some gift bundles? Super easy, for a gift if like you don't know what to buy, like certain things here and there. You just have an actual bundle filled with all this stuff that, you know, you can just wrap it up, put it in a bag or whatever, and just like, here you go. Like, you know, you don't have to put too much thought into it. It's already done for you, if you want to go about it that way. The next thing that I have is this Charlotte Tilbury. You guys probably see me use this in like a lot of my videos, almost all of them. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Floss Filter, and I use medium 4. And this just gives a nice glow to your skin. As you can see, I don't actually have like a highlighter on. I have this on my skin, on my cheeks, on my nose, somewhat on my forehead and stuff. And yeah, I feel like Charlotte Tilbury is expensive, but for the holiday season, if you want to kind of branch out and like, you know, want to spend a little bit more coin and stuff, that's a great item to buy. Plus, right now, Sephora's doing these crazy deals that I've seen. Today, actually, was the first day I've seen it, which I think it's been going on for a few days now, I believe. Don't quote me. But I went on Sephora, and like, if you spend $75, you guys, you get $20 off. Did you hear me? If you spend $75, you get $20 off. So that's super amazing. You get free shipping. Who doesn't love free shipping? Because I hate paying for shipping like all the time. I always complain about it. Like, who wants to pay an extra $5, $10 to ship something to you? I mean, I know people gotta get paid and stuff, but still, I hate it. But yeah, check out that deal. I wanted to have like pictures up and stuff for you guys, but the site is literally like, that stuff is broke because there's so many people on the app, on the internet, trying to purchase and use these deals and stuff. I don't blame them. I tried to as well. So those are a few things you can buy off of Sephora. The next item, you can get off of Sephora, but I think it's still sold out, and it's the Supreme Nudes palette from Artist Couture. This thing is so sleek and just so beautiful. If you're a nudes girl, neutral girl, this is your palette right here. Everyday palette. Seriously, you guys, it's like my favorite palette ever. Ever, and that says a lot. So but he does have this, I believe, still on his page, artistcouture.com. I'll leave that link down for you guys. It's definitely a great buy, and if you know someone who's not into bold colors or anything like that, that definitely is a perfect present gift. Shoot, I'd be happy if I got that palette over again just to have a backup, you know. You never know, something might shatter, you don't know. The next thing, why not give away, or the next thing, why not, you know, give some lashes to someone. This is the K lashes, and this style is in Lena, and I can't wait to do a video for you guys of trying these pairs. Like, I have 3 different pairs of lashes and stuff, so that video will be coming shortly. But I'm gonna leave her link. Support small businesses, you guys. So I'm definitely gonna leave her link down below. These are super pretty and wispy, and you've seen me wear the Nolly style of lashes from her brand. So for sure, check out her Instagram and purchase from her. Tell her Sasha sent you if you do purchase from her. And great price, affordable and stuff. So yeah, the last thing that we have here is this Woodwick candle. You guys, I got this for my birthday from my mother-in-law. Thank you so much. I love this candle. It is the wick inside actually crackles. So if you love that sound, of just wood burning, just like a fireplace, you're gonna love this. Right now they're on sale at Walmart. You can buy this at Walmart, you guys, for $19, and they're usually 24 bucks. So and this is 16 fluid ounce. So I know Bath and Body Works has a sale going on and stuff, which is probably already sold out, because I know everybody goes crazy over Bath and Body Works. Don't get me wrong, I love them too, but if you missed out on that sale, just check out this one. It lasts for a long time, and the scent that I have is cinnamon chai, and It smells so good. Literally, I have this in my room next to my bed. I'll light it up and the whole house, if I have the door open, the whole house will smell like this. And it just smells so fresh. And if you love cinnamon and stuff, you're gonna love this candle. They have another one. It's the vanilla, I don't know if it's vanilla bean or vanilla something. That smells amazing because it has like 3 layers of different scents. So I need to get my hands on it. I haven't bought it yet, but I will soon. So check out your local Walmart, see if they have it on sale for you guys, either for yourself or for someone else. But I figured these are some great gifts. Also, you can always buy them jewelry. You can always do a custom. The XIXI website, I don't know if you can see, the light might be too bright, but it has my initials, it has an S, and if they're spiritual or whatever, you know, they have a cross. Crosses are cute, and it can mean something too for someone, of course. And earrings, these are from Target. I always leave a link to these two as well. They're very inexpensive, and usually you can find a coupon code online for XIXI. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video of either what to maybe buy something for yourself or give this as a gift for somebody. I'm sure they would definitely love any of these products because y'all, they are so bomb and I love them so much. So these are all the things I highly recommend for anybody, seriously. But yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to comment down something below. Have you tried any of these products or anything like that? And before you leave, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll greatly appreciate it. And hit that notification bell. That way when I'm posting videos, you guys don't miss out on any of my videos that your girl is posting. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.
Yourself. A merry little Christmas.